Alright mga kaibagsan, narito tayo ngayon sa Candelaria, Quezon. At yan, napakaganda naman. Maganda yung paligid nila, no?
Sabi ka doon.
Streets are filled with millions of people trying to get errands done. Warming their hands on coffee cups before the snowfall's even begun. Everyone's so busy, closing up shop for the year. Well, the street lights flicker as the day turns to night. Caroling is all we hear. Because Christmas time in the city, the lights are so pretty, a season to slow down and feel the love all around you. Friends and family are keeping them near. It's the most magical time of year. Yes, it feels so right. It's such a beautiful sight. A couple strolls down the street holding hands while the subway cars screech below. And they end up at a holiday party, dancing underneath the mistletoe. The sounds of laughter echo through the aisles of every grocery store. And the tree is stacked high with so many gifts that we can never hope for more. Because Christmas time in the city, the lights are so pretty, a season to slow down.
Okay mga kaibags, hanggang dito na lang muna ang video natin at yung journey natin. Papunta tayong Tabuk City, Kalinga, Apayao. So mag stop over muna kami sa Manila. Kasama yung asawa ko at anak ko. At marami pa tayong papasyalan. So follow